What is up, guys? It is Chorlai FIFA 8 here, back with another video. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded in like a month or two, probably 2 or 3 months. But I thought I'd bring back some more. And it's Foot birthday right now, and I don't want to miss this. So I've loaded up some FIFA points. So let's do this. First pack. Is it a walkout? It's not a walkout. What is it? It's not really, not even a balls. Wow. Shocker. I'll probably use those for SBCs and stuff. Okay, right. Promo packs. 100k packs. I'm going to do a leave the room pack. Okay, I'm just entering again. And this is who I get. Whoa! 90 rated Lewandowski, let's go! That's sick! Yo, man. That's good. I will send him to the trade pile. Actually, not now. I'm going to have to put these all up again and then just send them to club. Oh, Piatek? Oh yeah, Piatek got an upgrade, I forgot about that. Okie dokie. Right. Second 100k pack. I'm going to do a nose pack. Here we go, here we go. Is it a walkout? It's not a walkout. From a 100k pack. It's an inform. French, right back. Oh, it's I can't remember his name. Dubios. That's alright, I can sell him. Javi Martinez, upgraded Sommer, Glick, Trigiagos. And yeah. I'm gonna send these all to club. And duplicates. I'm gonna buy just one more set of FIFA points, and then use the rest of them on what they called, like the other packs, the lower rated packs. Okay. Okay. Alright, I've loaded up more FIFA points. Another 100k pack. I'm going to do a nose pack. Here we go. Walkout. Walkout. How is that not a walkout? Okay, it's a boards. It's a boards. It could be an 85. Striker. Benzema. 8 upgraded Benzema. Let's go. Sick. Alright, I am going to... We'll keep him. Oh wait, whoops. That is not what I meant to do. You know, I'll just send him to trade pile. Do all of this and sell them. Am I really gonna do this? Yep, clearly I am. Because I want one. I want one of those cards. Badly. So, let's do this. Alright, let's have a looky. Alright, let me just put this down. Sorry, it's just personal contact information and I don't want it to be used against me. So, alright, there we go. There we go. Oh my god, why does it keep moving? Here we go. 2,300 FIFA points. We're gonna do a toe pack. This is quite difficult. There we go. Okay, please walk out. What is this? Not a walkout in that? Are you kidding? Pickford. Pickford. Good lord. That's pathetic. Upgraded Sarabia, I guess that's it. Oh, yeah. Sancho. Oh, Piatek again. Hold on a sec. I'm going to go to here. Not FIFA points. Transfer. Selling. There we go. Alright, Lewandowski. How much is he going? Max price 100k? Really? He goes for next to nothing. Well, I'm not going to sell him yet. Compare price. What are people wanting this guy for? Okay, 20k. I'll put him on there for... Wow, okay, Kondogbia sells instantly. That's good. How much is Benzema going for? I'll just put them all on there for the prices. I'm not putting Lewandowski up there right now. Let's go to... I kind of want to build a foot draft. I've already built one. I have built one, okay. I haven't built a foot draft in so long. Oh wait, no, I don't want to do this right now. A 185, oh my god, I could build such a better draft than that. Okay, right. So, oh wait, what's this? Squads online. Wait, let me see here. Top squad. My squad is still the best. Crafty Knight Omega. Club. Okay, right. Transfer profit. Oh, whoops. Transfer profit. 11k. 300k. 11 million. Jesus fuck. Club value. $87. Yo, my god. Transfer profit. Yeah, I'm second. Top squad. I'm first. Club value. I'm first. That's 2 billion. Holy shit, man. 191, holy shit, my guy. Okay, sorry. Anyway, back to the packs. Actually, no, I do not want 100 coins, because that is just no. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back, peoples. Alright. Okay, I've got 350 points. Okay, alright, there we go. Bear with me a second, peoples. Just having a little bit of a technical difficulty with some stuff. Difficulty. Alright, there we go. Okay. More FIFA points. Okay, right, last 100k pack that I'm going to open today. Here we go. Alright. I'm going to do a nose pack, because that seems to be... No, I'll leave the room pack, because that got me Lewandowski. Let's do this. Okay, I'm coming back into the room now. Controller and... Mandzukic, are you kidding? What is that, like 5 packs I've gone without getting a walkout? Or 4 packs, I don't know. Jeez. You know what? Why not? Yeah, there we go. We're doing it. 100k. And it's a walkout. Okay, please, please, please. Okay, it's just a normal card. Spanish centre mid. Verratti. 80. Oh my god, 86 Verratti. That was not worth 100k. Oh, this one's a good pack. Okay. Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy one more of those. And then I can buy like a couple of the packs that I want. I spent probably $150-ish. Alright. Promo packs. 50. Oh, there's these though. Yeah, 100k packs, boys. Oh my god. These are dog poo. These packs are actual dog poo. Last amount of FIFA points I'm buying, and we're done. Because I'm not spending any more of my parents' money. Because that's wrong. Okay, here we go. 55k pack. Oh my god, not even a walkout. That's terrible. I'm sorry for my pack luck today. It's just not going well. Let's get rid of all this. So how many... Oh wait, what? Okay, sort hands later. What else? How many packs are left? Oh, I'm still with... Oh, a lone pack. Oh goody. $700. Okay, 25k packs. Let's open two 25k packs. Oh. Let's see what this gets me, huh? Not even a walkout. On a lone pack, I don't even get a walkout. You know what, I'm actually just gonna discard this. I don't care. And there we go. How many packs are left? One. Cool. Right, I've spent enough money for today. Yeah, this is my squad that I'm working with right now. Yeah, I've got a pretty decent squad. Yeah, I bought... Oh, that Suso is so good. He was my first ever walkout in this game. Oh, he's 90 rated now. With 96 pace. What? And he's the centre mid card. That's so much better. Let's have a look at the market quickly, just to see what's chilling on the market right now. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna be more specific and say special. Oh, okay. So there's the Carnival cards. There is... No one wants Champions League cards anymore. There's Figo. Figo's only 900k. Proms is... Yeah, the FUT birthday one. Oh my god, this is full of Javi Martinez. Piatek. Pizzi. Witzel is a striker now. Okay. Rodrigo. I'll admit, these cards are not the best. Delight. I want to see if I can find any icons for like 100k or something. Makaleli. Okay, well, that concludes the pack opening and kind of esque thing. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time for another pack opening. See ya.